So I was sent this AC Voltage Detector. I was sent this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. So let's open it up and see what we got. Pretty simple, right out of the package. You just have the device, and you also have a manual, but it is pretty easy to use as well. I've already put the batteries in the device, which also came with it. So to use it, you're just gonna hold on the power button for 2 seconds, and it turns on. You have a flashlight mode as well, which you can turn on and off. And there's also a way to read the temperature. You just hold the temperature button, and it'll change between Fahrenheit and Celsius, which is useful. It also has an up and a down button. That'll adjust how sensitive the device is to read any kind of voltage it might find. Higher is more sensitive, and lower is less sensitive. So it still detects things, it just needs to be a lot closer to what it's reading. So let's check it out and see how it works. All right, so I have an outlet here I can test for voltage. We're just going to turn this on. I have it set to its lowest setting, which is 1. Shouldn't get anything on the neutral wire, and there's nothing. And it's definitely detecting voltage on the hot wire, which is good. Let's turn it to the highest setting. 5. Same thing. Neutral wire should get nothing. Hot wire is definitely live. Then you can even test wires and things to see if they are in fact getting juice. And that is. This fan is not plugged in, so it shouldn't read anything. And it does not. So I think it's definitely a useful device. It's going to come in quite handy in checking outlets, checking wires, these sorts of things. Super simple to use, very easy. If you need this sort of thing, I recommend this one.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.